Hi, it's Gemma here from My Irish Jeweller. I'm here today in North County Dublin visiting Aidan Breen's workshop. He's made us a beautiful limited edition sterling silver Claddagh pendant.
Hello! Hi Aidan,
Gemma.
how are you?
This is Mary, my wife.
Hi Mary.
My long,
How are you?
my long suffering.
Very nice to meet
Long
you.
suffering is the truth of it.
Oh, let there be light.
Did you like our box?
I think their boxes are brilliant. Yeah, I love the mixture of the Ohm and the My Irish Jeweller. Well, yeah, they're lovely boxes. It does look well, doesn't it, Gemma?
Us, yeah. We got it right after a few tries.
We were a while at it, right? Yeah, getting the right size, and you told me the weight to go for, which is important because it's nice to feel. It's not like paper thin, and still it's not too heavy to wear. You wouldn't need to be. You could swim with it without going to the bottom. And yeah, and then I like the three 30 nuts up the top. And I like the way the heart is raised up myself, to tell you the truth. I thought that turned out well.
I think that as well.
Do you? Yeah.
Absolutely. Like I love a bulbous heart
Yeah.
in a Claddagh. You know,
Yeah.
something that's raised and looks full.
It does, doesn't it? Yeah. Without being big-headed or modest. I like the way it turned out. I like the big bump and the crown raised up. Yeah. So,
There's a nice, put a nice bail on the top of first as well, so you can put a nice chain on it. It's lovely.
yeah, your chain is nice too, I gotta say. Oh, yeah. Can we put it on you?
Oh yeah.